Lon.TV IFA 2019 coverage is being sponsored by Lenovo. See all of their product announcements at Lon.TV/Lenovo IFA 2019.
So I've never been a PopSocket user, but I know a lot of people are. And when we talked about them at CES last year, a lot of people reacted favorably to it. And they're expanding the product line, and I thought some of you might find some of this stuff interesting. So let's go through a couple of things that I saw here. This is a car mount. It's got a suction cup on it. And your PopSocket phone or whatever else you got a PopSocket on attaches to it, and you can very easily get your phone in and out. So I thought that was pretty useful. These things will all be under like $50 or so they're not all that expensive. They have another vehicle mount that goes into your vents in your car. So again, similar concept, just taking up less room. So this one you would stick to the windshield, that one to the vents in the car. And if you're looking for a gift for somebody, or perhaps you might have a need for this, this is a PopSocket that has an integrated mirror in it. And you can have this on the back of your phone and get an instant mirror to check makeup or whatever else you're looking at. And they got a magnified mirror and a regular one there. And that was kind of a neat little thing that I saw. One other cool thing here is some minis that they've got, which might help you better grip your phone if you're doing some video or something like that. So they've got a lot of different stuff. Some of this is out, some of it's coming. So I thought you all might find this of interest.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.TV supporters, including gold-level supporters, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Chris Allegretta, Tom Albrecht, Mike Talbert, Brian Parker, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to Lon.TV/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit Lon.TV/S.